Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make $650 using this free bot. It has multiple payment methods including PayPal, a perfect side hustle to earn passive income while working from home. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. So make sure to follow along until the end of this tutorial. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. So to use this tool and have all of the work done for you, simply press start writing here on the right hand side. And that will take you to this page where you can either paste someone else's text inside of this box, such as script or any type of text, or you can type it in yourself. So you can begin typing some text inside of this box. So maybe you made some grammatical errors or misspelled anything, and they'll point it out to you. This bot will proofread your text. So how is it going to assist you in making money? Don't worry, first and foremost, you will not be asked to write any lengthy texts. Thus, you will not be required to have any writing skills. You'll basically copy and paste someone else's phrases into this box, which will earn you money. And I'll tell you which bot it is. This will happen shortly, but before that, allow me to show you how to earn money and monetize this task that this bot will complete for you. So the first platform you can use is Legit.com, which is a freelancing platform similar to Fiverr, where you can earn money by selling various services. And if you go to Legit.com and search for proofreading services, or go to writing and proofreading here on the left hand side, so you have editing and proofreading, it will show that different people are already providing the service. This person, for example, is selling proofreading services for $10 and has had over 9 orders, resulting in a profit of more than $9 from only one service. But you know that going through the text and reading the content manually takes a lot of time and effort. So it takes a lot of time and effort for them to provide a service. And it's not always perfect, but it's ideal for you. Because all you have to do is paste the text into this box, hit one button, and this program will proofread the entire text for you. It will be a lot easier and faster. Then you may sell it to a client on Legit.com. And because you're the one who can deliver the services much faster than the other freelancers, more clients will come to you. As a result, you'll almost certainly outperform the competition because everything will be done for you. And they won't have to wait for hours or weeks for all of that work to be performed. You can give it to them immediately away if they place an order with you. Simply go to this bot, which I will share with you in a minute, and the bot will finish the task for you in under a minute, allowing you to return and complete the order as soon as possible. Or this is the first platform where you can sell proofreading services, and all you have to do is sign up for free by entering your full name, email address, username, and password in this box. And then scroll down and select that you're here to sell your services rather than to buy, make, or spend money. Fill out the CAPTCHA, read the terms of service and privacy policy, and then click the Register Now button if you want to make some money selling proofreading services. This is the first method of profiting from perfecting services. The second option is to visit cjinc.info, which already has creative jobs like these. We've talked about the creative employment platform in previous videos, where you may find a range of online jobs. So if you've been watching my channel for a long, you're already familiar with how this platform works. Basically, you can find various projects and proofreading jobs that you can complete from the comfort of your own home. They will pay you various sum of money. For example, if you apply for one of those proofreading projects, you may earn $5 or more and work whenever and from anywhere in the world. And they will just supply you with some text, which you can copy and paste into this bot. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. This bot does all the work for you, including proofreading, and then you simply send it to the client, who will pay you $5, $10, or $20 per page. Which may not seem like much, but it's extremely easy to use and takes less than a minute to finish. So I guess it's worth it to spend 1 minute working on a free bot and earning $10 to $20 every page, which may rapidly add up to hundreds of dollars if you use all 3 websites we'll talk about in this video. It won't replace your full-time job, but it can help you supplement your income while you're online. People Per Hour, which is already available at peopleperhour.com, is the final platform you can use. You can look for proofreading projects in the search box, and you can also locate other freelancers that are already selling these services and generating a lot of money. Jessica from the United Kingdom, for example, is providing the service for $25 and has over 1,000 transactions, implying that she has gained well over $25,000 from selling proofreading services. So, as you can see, this has a lot of potential, and making $700 will be extremely plain and uncomplicated. Similar to that, if this person made over $25,000 doing the work herself and you're getting everything done for you, that will make things much easier and you will be able to supply services much more quickly. For example, one guy is offering this service for $40 and has received over 1,500 sales, resulting in a profit of over $50,000 from just selling this one service. peopleperhour.com, like legit.com, is a freelancing website where you may sell your services. There will be a lot of more opportunity for you to make money, but there will also be a lot more competition because there are already over 300 people selling the service. So it will take some time for you to set out and start getting reviews and gaining momentum on People Per Hour. So you should sign up as freelancer by clicking here. Because you don't want to hire anyone, spend any money, and only want to make money, you should join up as a freelancer by clicking the button on the right-hand side. So those are the 3 places where you may earn money by selling proofreading services, as well as the bot that will take care of everything for you. It's called SlickWrite, and it already has a SlickWrite icon. As you can see by pressing the right-hand button, you may check your grammar in seconds and enhancing your writing. You can also start writing right away by pressing the buttons on the left-hand side. Once again, all you have to do is enter the client's material into either legit.com, cjinc.info, or peopleperhour.com. You return to this location and have the material redone and proofread for you, which you can then deliver and earn money from. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to make $650 using this free bot. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.